Welcome friends. In this daily Bitcoin technical analysis, I will give you next Bitcoin target. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel. For more informative content and very useful information, links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation, and if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to get $1,600 bonus of Bybit exchange, then please go to in this video's description. This is the link. Create your account and after deposit, you can get $1,600 bonus. But you have to click on this my affiliate link and create your account, and after deposit you can get $1,600 bonus. Absolutely free, which is tradable, which is withdrawable too. And if you want to get Binance $700 bonus, then please go to in this video's description and where you can get this Binance exchange link. Click on this link and create your account, and after deposit you can get $700 bonus, and you can also get 25% special trading fees discount on every trade if you create your account, Binance account, with my affiliate link. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you what are the targets. Here you can see Bitcoin is currently at $33,890. Very strong resistance is waiting for the Bitcoin is at $34,800. Bitcoin was in this pennant, and how beautifully Bitcoin break this pennant. Here you can see Bitcoin break this pennant. Maybe Bitcoin can retest this pennant, this pattern, and after that, after hitting this uptrend line, Bitcoin can move towards upside. And let me please show you the targets. My first target, I think it can easily happen. And let me please. Bitcoin can easily hit $35,700 according to this pennant pattern. Let me please label on it. But for this, Bitcoin have to break this horizontal resistance. And if Bitcoin unfortunately bounce back towards downside, in that case, I repeat my words, if Bitcoin unfortunately reject from that zone and after that Bitcoin goes down to hit this zone, which is $32,100, this is the zone. Maybe Bitcoin can hit again. But once Bitcoin break this towards downside, in that case, which is very less likely, Bitcoin can again hit $30,300. Here you can see, but this is not a good sign. I think Bitcoin can hit $34,800 very soon and $35,685 very soon. And let me please show you something very interesting. Here you can see Bitcoin was in this parallel channel, and Bitcoin is about to break this parallel horizontal channel, descending channel this is. And what will be the target? If Bitcoin break this towards upside, the target will be like this, $35,700. The actual target, the main target is $35,700. The both targets, the target of this pennant and target of this descending panel, descending channel is same, $35,700. Let me please clear this chart, and let me please remove this horizontal channel. Now, let me please show you some indicators. This is EMA ribbon of overlay. This is one overlay EMA ribbon, and candles are above from that. That is a good sign. And now it is turning as a support zone for the Bitcoin right now. Let me please show you the VPVR and volume. There is very less volume in Bitcoin 1 hour chart, and that is why Bitcoin is sideways. According to the VPVR, the most of the buying and selling orders are waiting at $32,200, and after that $34,100. This is the area, friends. This is the area where most of the buying and selling orders are waiting to execute. $32,200 to $34,200, $200 area, which is very very strong support and resistance zones too. And after that, several small towers, the indication some sideways action. And let me please show you my 4 hourly chart. Bitcoin was in this descending wedge here, you can see, and how beautifully Bitcoin break this. Bitcoin break this descending wedge, and the target of this descending wedge is this zone, $40,500. But to hit this zone, Bitcoin have to break this very very strong resistance, which is at $34,800. This area is very very strong resistance, and second strong resistance is waiting for the Bitcoin is at $36,300. These two strong resistances are waiting for the Bitcoin. One is at 34,800 and second is at 36,300. Once Bitcoin break this, definitely Bitcoin can hit $40,500 area, and this is my target. And there is very very strong resistance waiting for the Bitcoin is at 40,000 to 41,000 area. And let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Bitcoin candles trying to break 4-hourly EMA ribbon, and it is at $34,000. Once Bitcoin break $34,000 and hourly candle above this zone, close 4-hourly candle above $34,000 and close 4-hourly candle above $34,000. That means Bitcoin break this EMA ribbon, and after that, I think it can hit $40,500 very very soon. And let me please show you the volume, and let me please hide the EMA ribbon. Volume is not satisfactory. That is why Bitcoin is sideways. We can expect sideways action in Bitcoin. Let me please show you the VPVR. The most buying orders are waiting for executions are $36,000. Most of the buying and selling orders are waiting in this area. The volume of this BPR tower is very high at $36,000, and next area is $36,700, and next area is $37,000, and area begins from this $32,000 to $37,000. This is the area where most of the buying and selling orders are waiting for execution, and that is why Bitcoin is facing support and resistances in this area, and Bitcoin is struggling to break these resistances. That is why. And let me please show you RSI, 4-hourly RSI. 4-hourly RSI is above 50, which is a good sign for Bitcoin. And once it hit 70, it means the bullishness is waiting for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will be very very bullish once RSI hit this. And let me please do this. Let me please draw this. Here you can see. This is the descending channel, and let me please draw this. Here you can see Bitcoin is still in this 4-hourly descending channel. This is the top. Once Bitcoin hit this, this is the second top. Once Bitcoin, and after that Bitcoin hit. Once Bitcoin hit this, this is the first top. Bitcoin hit second time. This is the second top, and after that Bitcoin hit lower zone is at this. This is the lower zone, $31,400. And if I zoom this, let me please hide VPVR. Let me please do this. Here you can see. Here you can see. Let me please show you. Very very interesting thing. Here you can see. Bitcoin is ready to break this descending channel. Once Bitcoin break this descending channel, the target will be, you can say short-term target will be like this, like this. things are looking bullish for the Bitcoin right now, and that is why Bitcoin, I think, can hit easily my targets. These are the targets. These are 4 over the chart targets. It can take some time, but definitely I think so. Bitcoin can hit my targets very soon. And let me please show you daily chart. Here you can see on daily chart, Bitcoin is still in this horizontal channel, this blue horizontal channel. The bottom of this blue horizontal channel is at $29,800 to, and top is at $42,000. Bitcoin is still in this, still moving sideways in this horizontal channel, 29,000 to $42,000, and Bitcoin is also in this descending channel. This is daily descending channel, and here you can see Bitcoin hit first, and after that Bitcoin price goes down, and after that Bitcoin price again hit, again goes up, and after that Bitcoin is turning, this area is support zone for the Bitcoin, and after that Bitcoin price pull back, and now Bitcoin is at $33,900. And if Bitcoin move towards upside, then definitely it will hit the upper trend line of this horizontal descending channel, and this is at $39,400. Yes, my dear friends, in daily chart, Bitcoin can easily hit $39,900. You can say $40,000. Let me please remove some drawings, and after that I will show you the targets. Please focus on this video. Here you can see Bitcoin can easily hit this uptrend line, which is at $39,100, or you can say $39,200. And let me please calculate this area. Once Bitcoin break this uptrend line, which is at $39,200, in that case Bitcoin can easily hit $60,000 again. Yes, my dear friends, this is the target, but this target will take some time, maybe 30 days, maybe 2 months, maybe 3 months, but I am much sure that Bitcoin can hit this target within 2 months, or maybe within 3 months. Bitcoin can hit these targets, $60,000 again. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is at $40,600. Once Bitcoin closed daily candle above $40,700, in this case Bitcoin definitely will break $50,000 resistance, and after that it will definitely hit $60,000. Let me please show you the volume. There is a good volume, decent volume, daily decent volume in this chart. That is why I think Bitcoin can hit, move towards upside. And this daily VPVR towers are at beginning from $32,000 to, here you can see, $59,000. In this area there are very big towers, but once Bitcoin break $40,000, there are very less towers of VPVR, indicating that in this area, $40,000 to $45,000 area, this area, there are no buying orders, buying and selling orders. Are once Bitcoin break $41,000, in that case it can easily hit $45,000 because there is not such resistance. And once Bitcoin break this area, $28,000, in that case there are no VPVR towers. That means Bitcoin can easily go down. Let me please show you the daily RSI. Daily RSI is at 42. Once it hit 50, this will be the good sign for the Bitcoin, and once it cross 50, in that case Bitcoin will be very, very bullish. And thanks for the watching. This is my technical analysis. And if you want to get Binance Exchange $700 bonus, Bybit Exchange $1,600 bonus, and if you want to collect some small altcoins, low cap altcoins, then you have to open KuCoin exchange account. And if you want to get some other small altcoins, then you have to open Bybit Hotbit account. And if you want to get $700 bonus, this is the link. This link is available in this video's description. This is my Binance affiliation link. Click on this link and create your account, and after deposit you can get $700 bonus, and this in terms of vouchers. And if you want to get $1,600 bonus, which is withdrawable, which is tradable, then click on this link. This is Bybit exchange link. Click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds of your life, and you can also get 25% trading fees discount on every trade you take on Binance exchange if you create your Binance account with my affiliate link. This is my technical analysis, friends. My last words are Bitcoin can hit $36,000. This is the target. First, I am waiting. First, Bitcoin have to hit $34,800, and after that I think Bitcoin can hit $35,600, maybe $36,000, and after that maybe Bitcoin can face some resistance and Bitcoin price can go down. Thanks for the watching, and keep supporting me, and I think Bitcoin will hit my targets very soon. Thanks for the watching.